How Oralift helps clenching and bruxism. Understanding bruxism is crucial for dental health. It also affects appearance and overall well-being. Bruxism has been recognized for centuries and often linked to stress and anxiety. Clenching and bruxism can lead to dental damage, jaw pain, and headaches, impacting daily life. Oralift is the 21st century solution that not only addresses bruxism, but also promotes anti-aging effects. Oralift improves facial aesthetics by enhancing skin tone and reducing wrinkles, contributing to a youthful appearance. Improved posture from Oralift not only alleviates discomfort, but also positively affects confidence and body language. Future developments in oral appliances like Oralift may further enhance benefits for bruxism and aesthetics. Oralift addresses bruxism, offers anti-aging properties, and improves posture for overall wellness and appearance. We hope you enjoyed learning about clenching and bruxism and the benefits of Oralift.